Good morning. It's Wednesday, March 18th, and you're watching AGORACOM TV. My name is Jim Heron. I'm your host for today. We have four great stories for you today. Our first one comes from the U.S. It's Magnum MDOR Resources, trades on the OTC bulletin board under the symbol MDOR. They're announcing a $15 million source funding for their previously announced capital expansion and acquisition products in 2009. Here are the terms of the financing. It includes a cash disbursement to Magnum of $15 million. In return, Magnum will issue an 8-year convertible promissory note, which requires no payments for the initial 4 years. Interest will accrue on an equivalent of 12.5% per annum, non-compounded, to yield a total overall return of investment instrument of 50%. In the 4th through 8 years of the note, the interest rate will be reduced to 5%. After the 4th year, before maturity, the holder can elect to convert the note to common stock based upon a trailing 20 trading day closing stock price. Magnum has a 98,000 square foot facility which is located in Magog, Quebec, and they currently hold over $130 million in open contracts over the next 5 years for their production of their rubber nuggets and rubber buffings, which is a mulch product. Magnum MDOR Resources last trade at 37 cents. Their 52-week high and low, 85 cents to 13 cents. Their market cap is $16.9 million. Our next story is Queenston Mining. They trade under the venture exchange symbol of HLM. They're announcing results from a recently completed 14-hole, 2,062-meter drill program on their 100% owned Dogpaw Lake property. Here are the highlights. Their deepest hole intersects a highest grade of 11.05 grams per metric ton of gold, and their Dogpaw Lake drill hole 97 hits 2.25 meters, grading of 9.11 grams of metric ton of gold. Queenston Mining last trade at 36.5 cents. 52-week range, 74 cents to 21 cents. They have a market cap of $10 million. They again trade on the venture exchange on the symbol HLM. Moving on, Skygold Ventures trades under the symbol SKV on the venture exchange. They're announcing an updated resource estimate, which is NI 43-101 compliant for their main zone at their wholly owned Spanish Mountain project in central British Columbia. The updated measure and indicated gold resource is 102.26 million tons at an average grade of 0.785 grams per ton, which is 2.58 million ounces of gold, and an inferred resource of 11.65 million tons at an average grade of 0.787 grams per ton, which is 290,000 ounces of gold, in each case based on a cutoff grade of 0.5 grams per ton of gold. This updated resource represents an increase of 47% when compared to the initial resource estimate for the project, which was previously disclosed on April 3rd of 2008. Skygold Ventures last trade at 21.5 cents. Its 52-week range was $1.29 to 3 cents. They have a market cap of $11 million. At Skygold Ventures trades under the venture exchange symbol of SKV. Our last story today is a joint venture story, which is between Kirkland Lake Gold, which trades on the TSX symbol of KGI, and for our European friends on the AIM exchange under the same symbol, KGI, and Queenston Mining Inc., which trades on the TSX symbol of QMI. They are reporting a completed drilling on their jointly held 50-50% South Claims joint venture property within the South Mine complex located south of Kirkland Lake Gold's Macassa Mine, which is in Kirkland Lake, Ontario. The highlights here include 1.81 ounces of gold per ton over a core length of 16.4 feet, or 2.63 ounces per ton uncut, 1.63 ounces per ton cut over a core length of 13.5 feet, and 1.05 ounces per ton over 11.3 feet. Kirkland Lake Gold last traded at $5.72. Their 52-week range, $10.80 to $2.52. Their market cap is $319 million. We have one halt for you today. It is Guildhall Minerals, trades under the venture exchange symbol of GDM. They're halted pending news. Those are our stories for today. Please join us again tomorrow for some more great small cap news.